Hey, what's going on everybody? Miles here again. And last video I showed all of you how to insert data into a table in a PostgreSQL database. So now we are going to learn how to query these tables with the most basic of functions, the select star. Select star. Okay, so since last time I added a little more data to the table called cities 1. So that's what we're going to be working with. Okay, so we're going to type in select star. What this means is we query all the columns and all the rows of the table. So as you can see, we just queried all of this data. You can see the city names, population, country, and the predominant language in that country, or in that city rather. Here we can manipulate the tables, make the columns bigger, just play around with it. Okay, so here we have another table called cities 2. So we're going to select star from this table as well. So select star from cities 2, and the data will pop up here after I click query. So it's basically the same. And what we're going to do here is combine these two tables with a simple, very, very simple SQL command, and that command is called union. So here we do select star from cities 1, and then whatever table you want to combine with that first queried table, you just do a select star right below it. And here we have a combined table with all the city names, so all the rows total. So all the rows in total. Okay, so that's how you do a union statement, combining two select star queries. Now we are going to select particular columns from each table and unionize both of those. So here we want to select name and population from both tables and unionize them, combining them. So since name and population from both tables have the same data types, this makes sense to the SQL Server and it queries these tables fine. But if it's inconsistent between both tables, as seen here, it is not going to query the tables and it's going to throw an error. So you have to make sure you remain consistent between both select statements. Another thing to take note of is that if the table columns in both tables have different column names, it doesn't matter as long as the data types remain consistent between both tables. It will successfully query the union statement. So here the top table has a column name of Lang and the bottom table has a column name of predominant language or predom Lang, and it still queries just fine. Okay, so there you have it. That's how to do a select star and union statement in PostgreSQL. Be sure to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks.